Okay, we're looking at a 2013 Crossroads Cruiser, model number CF305SK. This is a full Gorilla Aluma cage construction unit with the polar package, with the heat, with the insulation, with a power awning, with 2 ACs, with the magnesium alloy wheels. You have 2-year warranty on, I believe that's the appliances, and 5 years on the roof. This is a shell roof, not a rubber roof. You'll never get any leaks on this. You've got power stabler awnings. You press the button and they'll stabilize on their own. You have an incredible amount of storage in here. I took a picture, there you can see it, there you go. All the way through to the other side. This is a special type of ride air hitch, trail air. People like that quite a bit. You have the shell fiberglass nose with the contour in the front with the light so you can see what you're doing at night. 2 propane tanks there. That's the see-through thing where it comes all the way through. The tires look new. Outside shower right there. All graphics in perfect shape, gel coat in perfect shape, roof in perfect shape. .50 amp cord, no delamination anywhere, and the back has the glass window so you can see out if you park. Oh, and this also has the frame where you can tow behind this too. This is one hell of a unit right here. You don't find stuff like this with all these options. Usually you get half of them, but not, you don't usually find them all together. 2013 Crossroads Cruiser Patriot, model number 305SK. Okay, that should be good. Enjoy this one, folks.